In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a dataset in Kaggle. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your dashboard, then click in the top left where you can see those three lines, and from here, click on Data Hub to extend this, and then you want to click on Datasets. Now, to find a dataset, you have a bunch of different options. You could use these filters over here. You could go ahead and basically click on any of these categories, so we have all of them: computer science, education, classification, etc. There's a bunch of different ones, or you could go to the trending ones, or of course search by keywords. So for example, if I click on search over here and if I type in, for example, sport, it's going to find me a bunch of different data sets. So as you can see here, these are all kind of categorized under sport, and here we have like 100 sports image classification. We have like a bunch of different ones over here. So of course you can select whichever one you want. You can find a bunch of different ones. Now if I were to type in, for example, YouTube over here, I'm sure it's going to find something. Yeah, there we go, etc. Okay, so if we go back to sport over here, let's say I found one over here. Let's say this is the one I was looking for, so I'm gonna just click on it, and this over here is now your data set. Okay, so we can see kind of the data card over here. You can see the code, discussion if there's any, and suggestions as well. Now whenever of course you review this, if you want it, up top you can see the code, or you could download it to of course a zip folder, or what you could also do is basically click on the three dots and create a new notebook with this data set as well. So those are kind of the options you have. That's how you find the data set. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.